So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create multiple accounts on Instagram. This is perfect for managing personal and business profiles or any other interests you have. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're already logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Add Account. Here you can log into an existing account or create a new one. To create a new account, tap on Create New Account. Enter a unique username and password, then fill out your profile details. You can also sign up using an email address or phone number. After filling in your details, tap Next and follow the prompts to complete your account setup. And that's it. You can now switch between multiple accounts easily. Just tap and hold your profile icon at the bottom right to choose an account you want to use.